One of the lifestyle changes I made after my health scare was to start juicing fruits and vegetables alongside eating them whole, okay? There are so many health benefits of juicing fruits and vegetables, such as improved absorption, increased intake of nutrients and vitamins, improved skin health. Juicing is also a way to give your digestive system a rest from digesting fiber. So today we are going to make this simple ABC juice that is loaded with vitamins and nutrients, and it's also very beginner friendly. So for this ABC juice recipe, I used 6 carrots, 4 red apples, and 1 beetroot. These are frozen beetroots, by the way. So I bought a large quantity and I just cut them and put in the freezer. And that's one great thing about juicing. So instead of just leaving your fruits and vegetables to rot away or spoil, you can simply prep them ahead by cutting them up and freezing them, okay? So when you're ready to make your fresh juice, you just grab it and toss it into your juicer. Or you can even blend it into a chilled smoothie, okay? So I also added my ginger lemon cubes. This is something that I've been making in large quantities, okay? I make it in large quantity and I just store it in the freezer because I like to add it to hot water in the morning and just drink it. And the best part is that it also comes in really handy for when I want to make my juice and I don't have fresh ginger or lemon to add to it, okay? I do have a full video on this ginger lemon shot and I'll leave the link in the description box and pinned in the comments section. I also have a free ebook for more juice recipes that you can try. They are simple juice recipes that are very beginner friendly and easy to follow. It's free to download and you can find the download link at the very top of my YouTube channel. I'll also put the download link in the comments section.